Good morning. Myself Prabhanshu Vyas. Today we will discuss about the concept of health, dimension of health, determinants and indicators. Now, there are mainly four types of concept. First is a biomedical concept. Second, ecological concept. Third, psychosocial concept. Fourth is a holistic concept. Now first we will discuss about the biomedical concept. Health is absence of disease either. If one is free from disease, then he is considered as a healthy. A person, according to biomedical concept, a healthy person, who is healthy person? A person is not having any kind of disease or absence of disease. This biomedical concept is mainly based on germ theory. Germ theory is किसी भी तरह की कोई बीमारी होती है that thing is caused by only a pathogenic organism और microorganisms के कारण ही बीमारियां होती है. जर्म्स के थ्रू ही बीमारी होती है. that thing is known as a germ theory. Caution: malnutrition, chronic disease, accident, drug abuse, mental illness, environmental pollution, etc., which lead to ecological concept. Sometimes we think कि जब biomedical concept में malnutrition, chronic disease आती है नहीं. This thing comes under the ecological concept. Now we will discuss about the ecological concept. What is ecologist? Ecologist: health is a dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment, and disease is maladjustment of human organism to his environment. Health implies the relative absence of pain and discomfort and a continuous adaptation and adjustment to the environment to ensure optimal function. What is the ecology? Ecology, there is a equilibrium, dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment and disease. इसमें जरा भी माल एडजस्टमेंट होगा, any kind of mal adjustment between the man himself and environment cause disease. Health implies the relative absence of pain and discomfort and continuous adaptation and adjustment to environment ensure optimal function. Rise two questions: imperfect man or imperfect environment. Here mainly two questions arise: a man is imperfect, perfect, or environment is imperfect. History shows that improvement in human adaptation to natural environment can lead to longer and better quality of life, even with the absence of modern health delivery services. इतिहास कहता है कि इम्प्रूवमेंट ह्यूमन बींग्स में हमेशा इम्प्रूवमेंट होता रहा है, जिसके कारण वो एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर अच्छी तरीके से अपनी लाइफ को जी सका है और ज़्यादा टाइम तक वो जिंदा रह सकता है. वो मेनली एनवायरनमेंट. जहाँ पे भी इस चीज़ का डिसबैलेंस हुआ, किसी ठंडे प्रदेश में अगर कोई चला गया और वहाँ जी नहीं पाया और सही तरीके से एडजस्टमेंट नहीं कर पाया एनवायरनमेंट से, तो सर्वाइवल रेट वहाँ पे बहुत कम हो जाता है. इसलिए हमेशा एडेप्टेशन प्रॉपर तरीके से ह्यूमन बीइंग करते आ रहे हैं. नाउ कम्स विद द साइकोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट. साइकोलॉजी, डेवलपमेंट इन सोशल साइंस. हेल्थ इज नॉट ओनली बायोमेडिकल फेनोमेना बट इट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय सोशल, psychological, cultural, economical, political factor of the people concerned. Health is both biological and social phenomenon. Sometimes लोग सोच रहे थे कि जो बीमारी है वो mainly physical और biomedical phenomena पे ही based है, but this is not a right thing. Some diseases caused by psychological, जहाँ पे कोई भी माल एडजस्टमेंट साइकोलॉजिकली नहीं कर पाता. जैसे सोसाइटी सोशली, अ पर्सन सोशली हेल्दी नहीं है, लोगों से बातचीत नहीं कर रहा है, तो ही इज नॉट अ हेल्दी पर्सन. साइकोलॉजिकली, कल्चरल, कई बार कोई व्यक्ति कल्चरली किसी चीज को एडॉप्ट नहीं कर पाता. जैसे अलग अलग डिफरेंट एरियाज में अलग अलग कल्चर है, अलग अलग रिलीजन में अलग अलग कल्चर है, वेजिटेरियन नॉन वेजिटेरियन कल्चर है। तो ये सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए। तो ये चीज़ें भी कई बार डिजीज को कॉज करती है। इकोनॉमिक, या अगर जेब में पैसा नहीं होगा, इफ अ पर्सन इज इकोनॉमिक फाइनेंशियली नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो वो अच्छी मेडिकल फैसिलिटी नहीं ले सकता, वो अच्छी डाइट नहीं ले सकता, और कहीं ना कहीं उसको साइकोलॉजिकली प्रेशर रहता है कि उसके पास पैसा नहीं है तो वो अपने आगे की जीवनचर्या कैसे करेगा। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं पैसा, आसपास का समुदाय और जो कल्चरल पैटर्न है और पॉलिटिकल फैक्टर्स ऑफ द पीपल कंसर्न, या पॉलिटिकली अगर प्रॉपर लेजिस्लेशन बने हुए हैं तो ठीक रहेगा, बट अगर प्रॉपर तरीके के कानून नहीं बने हैं तो उसको साइकोलॉजिकली कई जगह प्रेशर रहता है कि अगर वो गलत काम करेगा तो उसको करता ही रहेगा। जब उसे पता चलेगा कि नहीं, गलत काम करने से सज़ा मिलती है, तो इससे बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट हैं हेल्थ के जो अलग अलग तरीके से कहीं ना कहीं एक मैन को या ह्यूमन बीइंग को कंसर्न करते हैं। और साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर बहुत वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इन एवरीबडीज लाइफ। कई बार होता है कि साइकोलॉजिकली पेन होता है बॉडी के अंदर। कोविड टाइम में क्या हुआ कि लोगों को, पेशेंट जो थे उनको अधिकतर न्यूज़ ये आ रही थी कि भैया जो भी, जिसको भी कोविड होता है वो जी नहीं पाता है, या कभी एडमिट है, पास वाले बेड पे कोई कोविड पेशेंट था, वो लेट आया, लेट एडमिशन हुआ, उसका बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल कंडीशन की और उसकी डेथ हो गई, तो पता चलता था कि पास में जो बैठा है व्यक्ति, जो उसका साइमल्टेनियसली जो रिकवर कर रहा है और वो वहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट ले रहा है, वो साइकोलॉजिकली भी वो सारे सिम्टम्स अपनी बॉडी के अंदर डेवलप कर लेता है। तो साइकोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हेल्थ इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट हेल्थ, and health is a both biological and social phenomenon. Holistic synthesis of all the above concepts, it recognizes the strength of social, economic, political and environmental influence on health. Then came a many definition of health. Now define health: the condition of being sound in body, mind or spirit, especially freedom from physical disease or pain. By Webster. Webster said the condition of being sound or in mind or body or spirit, or especially freedom from physical disease or pain. Next, Oxford University says, Oxford says soundness of body or mind, that condition in which its functions are duly and efficiently discharged. Now, operational definition by WHO. Our operational definition of WHO is a condition or quality of human organism expressing the adequate functioning of the organism in given condition, genetic and environment. WHO health definition: health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. It means वही व्यक्ति physically fit, that is physically person, according to WHO, a healthy person is physically healthy. The person is not having any kind of डिसफंक्शनिंग ऑफ एनाटॉमिकल स्ट्रक्चरल डिसफंक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए उसकी बॉडी में, एनी काइंड ऑफ फिजियोलॉजिकल डिसफंक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, अ पर्सन इज प्रॉपरली मेंटली ऑल्सो, पर्सन इज ऑल्सो मेंटली हेल्दी। वो किसी भी स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन में हर कंडीशन को कोप अप करे। सोशली हेल्दी, इट मीन्स वो सोसाइटी में सभी से अच्छे से बात करे, अच्छे से रहे, सारे सोशल लॉज को प्रॉपर तरीके से अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कल्चर उसको फॉलो करे। That thing is known as a physically, mentally and socially well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Now comes with the dimensions of health. Health is multi-dimensional. WHO defined physical dimension, mental dimension and social dimension. According to WHO, there are mainly three kinds of dimension: physical, mental and social dimension. Now first we will discuss about the physical dimension. The state of physical health implies the notion of perfect functioning of the body. It conceptualizes health biologically as a state in which every cell and every organ is functioning at optimum capacity and in perfect harmony with the rest of the body. Physically fit है तो physical dimension is very important. Now comes with the mental dimension. Like image shows stressful situation. If person is in stress, sometimes stress cause hypertension को की वजह से numbers of associated disease और mental health is not mere absence of mental illness. Good mental health is ability to respond to the many varied experience of life with flexibility and sense of purpose. A state of balance between the individual and the surrounding world. A state of harmony between oneself and other. Consistence between the realities of the self and the that of other people and that of the environment. Now comes with the social dimension. Social well-being implies harmony and integration within the individual, between each individual and other member of society, and between individual and the world in which they live. Quantity and quality of an individual interpersonal ties and the extent of involvement with the community. This thing is comes under the social dimension. Now comes in the spectrum of disease. This is the spectrum of disease. Health and disease lies along a continuum, and there is no single cut-off point. Positive health, better health, freedom from sickness, unorganized sickness, mild sickness, severe sickness, death. This is the spectrum of positive health. Our attitude towards health is positive, better health, proper physically and mentally health, freedom from sickness. Now, a person is not having any kind of disease, physically and mentally and socially. Now, unrecognized sickness, mild sickness, severe disease, chronic disease like the cancer, then that. Spectrum concept of health emphasize that the health of an individual is not static. It is dynamic phenomenon and a process of continuous changes. Now, determinants of health. Health is multifactorial. Health is a multifactorial. The factors which influence health lie both within individual and external. In the society in which he or she lives, there is mainly health is directly concerned with the individual and external society. Sometimes internal conflict and external environment, internal environment, external environment, physiological changes, anatomical changes, internal environment, external environment being called in which he or she lives. The factor interact, and this interaction may be health promoting and deleterious. Now, these are the determinants of health. Physical environment, where a person lives physically, proper housing, proper floor, light, these are the physical. Biology and genetics. Genetics, genes, chromosomal defects, biology, proper functioning of body organism. Personal health practices and coping sickness. Sometimes person is not able to coping with their sickness. Health and child development, health service and social service. Social environment, a person where he or she is living, and when social environment is good or not. Sometimes social environment is not good, person goes under the stress. Then cause a numbers of diseases like ulcer, like hypertension, headache, migraine. This disease caused by stress. Gender, a specific disease caused in specific gender. Like ovarian cyst is caused in female and prostate disease caused in male. These